Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. Today in this video, we will be talking about one cool productivity feature inside Macintosh. Let's say you want to write a document which is a bit long and you hate typing. Then how we can write that document just by speaking or just by voice typing. And you do not need to worry guys, as this feature comes built in inside Macintosh. No matter what kind of accent you have, the Macintosh can write it perfectly. Before we go further, I would suggest you to consider subscribing to this channel, as we keep on bringing productivity tips and tricks that going to make a real-time impact in your day-to-day use. Now let's jump back to our topic, which is how we can enable voice typing inside Macintosh. So okay, let me actually go with pages, because pages will make perfect sense. Now let me go with the blank one. Now let's say you need to write an essay or your thesis over a certain topic. Let's write about mobile phone. So let me quickly show you how you can enable dictation function. You need to press function button or FN button or control button in case you are using a Windows based keyboard. You just need to press it 2 times. By doing this, you will see this pop-up which will ask you to enable dictation function. So you need to click here on OK and then click on enable, and in this way guys you can enable dictation function. And you can even see as soon as I enabled it, it have start typing. Isn't it cool guys? So in this way guys we can really type very fast. Now coming back to our topic, I wanted to write an essay over mobile phone. So let me quickly write it here. So again, in order to activate dictation function in Macintosh, again you need to press the same button, which is Control or FN. Mobile phones have become an integral part of modern life, transforming the way we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. Full stop. What started as a mere tool, what started as a mere tool for voice communication has evolved into multifunctional device, offering features such as internet browsing, camera functionality, GPS navigation, and various applications to facilitate daily tasks. Full stop. So we just saw how easy it is to write a long document with just typing, and it is not applicable just for this particular application, but it is applicable for wherever you can type, maybe except some password fields. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content, and I will catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.